Hey guys, this is Bill from TFL Chat Room, and this is day 2 of my walk through Apple with using volume profile analysis. Yesterday I did the first chart and really started on a weekly chart like this, and then went down to the daily and the hourly and the 15-minute. I'm doing the same thing today. This will be super short, just a quick analysis of what happened today with Apple. Again, here's the weekly. Here's my volume profile analysis tool on the right. Here's my volume indicator on the bottom. Right now I have my volume profile analysis tool going back to uh, just about exactly 3 years from now. And the highest volume bar is at 75.79. So I'm thinking that this is going to move back down towards here. I see the second area of volume profile over here of high volume, and I look left and I see this big red weekly candle on much higher than average volume. So I see that it blew through this area, big move that week, lots of volume. So I am thinking that it's going to come back up to this area, retrace, and come back down. As it's approaching this area, the volume is weakening. So that's all I'm thinking about right now. This last couple of weeks in particular, it's tried, this week especially, it's been trying to get back above this level, and it might. Earnings is coming up here within the next week, week and a half. Apple, according to my good friend Pete, the best stock trader in the world, Apple tries to move up before earnings before it comes back down. So that's the weekly analysis. Let's switch over to the daily, see what happened today. I'm going to keep my volume profile tool over here. I'm not going to pay attention too much to it, except to note that within the last, say, 9 months, we are just now passing a high volume area for the last 9 months. You can see this consolidation over here. And what I talked about in my video yesterday when I zoomed in on this last leg up was really what appears to be some decreasing volume here. So based on that analysis, I thought this leg may not get past this area here. I did note this green candle here, this fairly open green candle here on higher volume. And today we have another pretty full-bodied candle, again on just about higher than average volume, or maybe just about volume. I think Apple's trading at about 38 million a day, so we're at about average volume, but we have a pretty decent move up here on price. Will this be enough to get past this level here? I don't know. When you go up a little bit more, volume completely drops, so this area might be free and clear for Apple to move up. It may not. Yesterday, I noted on the hourly some price action that really that I really focused on Friday was this high volume candle here with this nearly doji candle there. Thursday, we had high volume on a gap up. So this could be enough strength, this gap up, to get it up here. I wasn't sure with this doji candle right here. This doji candle means indecision. We have indecision with a lot of volume. That could indicate a reversal. In this case, it did not. But note that this green candle here, the first one of today, did not have the same volume as the doji the day before. That could mean that there's more indecision and that this is a move up before a move down. We obviously know this is not going to go up forever. At some point, it's going to come down, and we're just looking for clues of when that might happen. So after we had our big move up in the first hour of the day, we really had nothing the rest of the day, which is, I guess, kind of normal, whatever normal might be. Let's drop down to the 15 minutes, see if there's anything else that happened today, and not really. We went up. Again, here's kind of that doji candle from Friday with significant volume looking at the 15-minute compared to the few other days around it. Let's zoom out some more, really going back to 6/16 to June 16th back here. Here's some Brexit-related volume back here. So not quite as much as Brexit-related volume, on this specific candle, but not too far away either. So I don't want to completely discount this volume here and this candle there. I just want to keep it in mind as I move forward. And it says to me this move up is weakening, and it may not be. We may not be at the end. We may be only in the middle of this move. All this may have indicated was sideways movement here, but there was a lot of volume there to tell me that it's going to move sideways. So again, I will just note this and keep an eye on it. Where we go from here, I don't know. I want to see it get past this area here, and it may before earnings, but it may not. So we'll see. This is day 2 of my analysis on Apple using the volume profile tool and really just looking at volume and price movement. Again, to just recap today, we had a big move up in the first hour on about average volume. According to volume profile analysis kind of theory, there is a effort and result theory. And when you have great effort, you should have a great result. You shouldn't have a great result without great effort. That is an anomaly, and that is something we pay attention to. So as I said, this was on a daily about average, and if we look at the size of the candles on this move up, 1, 2, 3 big candles, and it's about the same amount of volume on each one. So this may be appropriate for this move, and that may be enough to push it up again above this level here. We'll find out more tomorrow. No prediction or anything. I'm just kind of evaluating this and seeing how things go. I will do day 3 after tomorrow, after we see what happens. Have a great night.